So this particular job that we did the other day had commercial frames for a home. So when I was at this home, I decided to make a video. Had a pretty awesome view here, and even there on these large panels, it was pretty much commercial frames. So I decided to make a video today on what I do for water fed pull technique on commercial frames. So to start, always I scrub the frames really good, top, bottom, sides, and just get that seal of the window wet to get some of the dirt dripped out of there. And I go across as many windows as I can in a good section where I'm not moving overly too much. This is usually the extent of it, is this amount of range in between like the two sets is good to do. And I always do the top row first, bottom row, top row first, middle row, then the bottom row, of course. So right here, basically, even just doing that is going to get the seals hit enough where the dirt can drip out of them as you start doing. Either here, what I'd be doing most of the time is moving to like another set and letting these drip. But with these particular ones at this house, I was using the bronze wool pad, so the time that it took me to go back and scrub with the bronze wool pad was enough time for these 5 windows to drip enough in the sun that I could go back and clean them for the final time with the boar's hair brush, Tucker boar's hair brush here, and get them clean, spotless clean. I learned this technique from somebody else, and it's really helped me. And so basically what that is clean frames first, either wait a little bit and move on to a different section, then come back and scrub the actual glass like I'm doing here, and then rinse. I don't ever do like a patch of windows like this when it's a clean that is not very often. But if you're doing a house, even quarterly, you could do this whole section at one time. And you're probably going to be good as far as having spotless windows at the end of it when using the water-fed pull. So you see, as I rinse the windows there, I make sure that I kind of go back and forth all the way down the window, not just at the top or just at the top and then quickly around the whole entire window, but I try to take my time with it. I've learned that patience is really key with water-fed pull. It does save time. You just have to learn to use it correctly, and it will save you so much time with big homes, especially ones like this or ones with French windows. It will really help. And then jobs, with commercial frames. These are commercial frames, but these are at a home, so it's quite a bit different. But usually you won't see this at homes either. At least homes I've done, I haven't seen this much. So it was very different, and sometimes I believe these kind of windows can be harder with the commercial frames. They're more prone to, leaking out dirty water after you leave them. So that's why I really took my time, did frames first. 5 of the windows, came back to the bronze wool pad. That was enough time for those seals to leak, and then I was able to scrub them a few last, went back and forth maybe a couple times on each window just to get them, get the dirt really loosened up, and then it was a good amount of time for me to rinse them. So the last window here in this set, and I just did 5 windows here for this video. This can get a little bit tedious and boring to watch. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below, and I can help you out as much as possible. What I have here is a Tucker pole, Tucker boar's hair brush, DA component bronze wool pad, and the Tucker over the top rinse bar. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye-bye.